When it comes to enhancing your home's appearance and increasing its resale value, few investments are as impactful as high-quality window replacements. Conway Windows, known for their style, durability, and energy efficiency, offer a simple yet powerful way to boost both curb appeal and home value. Whether you're planning to sell your home or just want to make a lasting impression, here's how Conway Windows can make a dramatic difference. Aesthetic transformation that turns heads. Your home's exterior is the first thing people notice, visitors, neighbors, and potential buyers alike. Conway windows come in a variety of styles, including double-hung, casement, picture, and bay windows, allowing you to customize your home's look based on its architectural style. Whether you own a classic colonial, a cozy craftsman, or a sleek modern home, there's a Conway window design to match. The clean lines, sleek frames, and elegant finishes available with Conway windows instantly modernize the exterior of your property. Adding features like decorative grids or custom colors can further complement your home's facade. This aesthetic transformation doesn't just make your house more attractive, it elevates the entire neighborhood appeal. Increased natural light and better views. Curb appeal isn't only about what your home looks like from the outside. It also includes the feeling and impression it gives when someone steps inside. Conway windows are designed to maximize glass space, which invites more natural light into your home. Bright, well-lit spaces feel more open, welcoming, and spacious, qualities that are universally appealing to homebuyers. Additionally, Conway windows often feature larger, clearer panes that offer unobstructed views of the outdoors. Whether you overlook a manicured lawn or a scenic vista, enhancing that visual connection between inside and out is a key value booster for your property. Energy efficiency that sells. Modern buyers are looking for homes that are not only beautiful but also energy efficient. Conway windows are engineered with energy-saving technologies such as low-E glass coatings, insulated frames, and multi-pane glazing. These features help maintain consistent indoor temperatures, reducing the need for heating and cooling. Improved energy efficiency doesn't just lower utility bills, it's also a major selling point in today's real estate market. Homes with energy-efficient features are increasingly in demand, and having Conway windows can tip the scale in your favor when it comes time to sell. Low maintenance and long-term appeal. Another reason Conway windows boost home value is their low maintenance requirements. Made from durable materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, or composite, these windows resist warping, rotting, and fading. Their finishes require minimal upkeep, meaning homeowners can enjoy their benefits for decades without frequent repairs or repainting. This longevity is attractive to potential buyers. Knowing that the windows will remain in excellent condition for years adds perceived value to the home and can be a strong point of negotiation in your favor. Return on investment. Replacing your windows might seem like a significant upfront expense, but it often delivers one of the highest returns on investment, ROI, for home improvement projects. According to national averages, homeowners can recoup up to 70–80% of the cost of new windows when they sell. With Conway windows, the value goes beyond numbers. You're investing in quality craftsmanship, comfort, and visual impact, factors that combine to create an irresistible package for any prospective buyer. Final thoughts. Whether you're preparing to put your home on the market or simply want to enhance its charm and comfort, Conway Windows are a smart choice. They offer a winning combination of beauty, performance, and value. By improving curb appeal and delivering long-term savings, Conway Windows transform your house into a standout property that gets noticed and remembered.